Hi, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today I've come up with another healthy and instant breakfast or tiffin recipe. I've been getting more requests for healthy and instant recipes. I've created a playlist. Please check or scroll down on this YouTube channel for more healthy and instant recipes. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to this recipe. So I've taken here 200 grams of sago seeds, which are also known as tapioca pearls or sabudana. Wash and rinse these seeds thoroughly and then allow them to soak overnight or at least for a minimum of 2 hours. Rinse at least 4 to 5 times. Why I am stressing on the rinsing part is it contains a lot of starch. So if you do not rinse and wash at least 4 to 5 times, it will result into a sticky batter. So I've washed the seeds and bought them. Next I'll add sufficient water and allow them to soak overnight. Next, I'm going to take 3 potatoes. I'm going to pressure cook them till they turn soft. Prepping this much the previous day will make things instant and quick the next day morning for the breakfast. So next day early morning, I've taken a kadai, heat it and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of peanuts. These are raw peanuts. I'm going to roast them till they turn golden brown in color. So it's been almost 5 minutes. The flame has been low and the peanuts have turned golden and crunchy. So I'm going to switch off the flame and transfer the peanuts into a grinder jar. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for regular updates. Click on the all option of the bell icon so that you get regular updates as and when I post. So I finished transferring the peanuts into the grinder jar. Let them cool down and then grind them coarsely, not into a fine paste. Next, I've taken the potatoes which I had pressure cooked the previous day. I have deskinned them and grated them using a grater. Now let's check the sago seeds which we had soaked the previous day. You can see that they have doubled in size. Now transfer the sago seeds into a mixer grinder jar. Without adding any water, let's grind these seeds into a smooth paste. So our sabudana or sago seeds paste is ready. Next, add the cooked and grated potatoes into this bowl. Then add the ground peanuts which we had roasted earlier. Add 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped green chillies, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Now mix everything well using a whisk or a spoon. Add some fresh curry leaves. They'll bring some fresh flavor to this recipe. Now once again mix everything well. Add some water to adjust the consistency of the batter. Please remember that the batter should not be too thin. It should be a thick batter. Next, heat a pan or tawa and add some oil or clarified butter. Please ensure that the flame is on low to medium. Pour the batter and roll out into small dosas or crepes. If you liked this video, please do not forget to like and share. Someone might benefit from these healthy, instant and easy recipes. Also, do share your feedback in the comment section below. So our dosas have cooked really well from the bottom side. See, you can see that they have become translucent. Gently flip and cook on the other side as well. Please note that the flame is on low to medium. So the other side has also cooked really well. You can see that they have become golden, nice, thin and soft. Similarly, cook remaining ones and serve hot with chutney of your choice. This is a really wholesome and instant recipe. If you do some preparations the previous day, it will keep you full for longer and it is also healthy and nutritious. Once again, if you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.